Moving to a new city can be exciting and daunting at the same time. Leaving behind familiar places, friends, and routines can be tough, but it also presents an opportunity to start fresh and experience new things. One of the biggest challenges when moving to a new city is making friends, but that's not impossible. In fact, it can be quite easy if you know where to look. When I first moved to this city, I didn't know anyone, but I joined a few social groups on Meetup and started and attended events regularly. This is how I met some of my closest friends here. Joining social groups, clubs, or classes that interest you is a great way to meet like-minded people who share your hobbies and passions. It's also a fun way to explore your new city and learn about the culture and people. Many cities have vibrant communities of expats, newcomers, and locals who are always eager to welcome new people and show them around. Joining these communities and attending their events is a great way to make friends and get insider tips on the best places to eat, drink, and have fun in the city. Another way to immerse yourself in your new city's culture and meet new people is to attend its festivals and events. These events bring together people from different backgrounds and ages who share a common interest or passion. They are also a great opportunity to try new foods, listen to new music, and experience new things. So, if you're moving to a new city soon, don't worry. With a little bit of effort and curiosity, you can make good friends, have fun, and transition into your new city easily. Who knows? You might even discover new passions and interests along the way.